Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a quick and easy mixed media greeting card. I'm using the Brusho Acrylic Mist Sprays to create the background. Instead of spraying the paint, I use a brush to apply it to the background. I'm working with watercolor paper. I am wetting both sides of the paper before I start to color it to avoid the warping and to get a better flow. To create a rusty shimmer effect, I'm using the Brusho Spray powder and apply it to the background. After everything is dry, I cut out a frame with a Tim HOltz die. And I apply some acrylic paint to add a stamped sentiment later. The acrylic paint is also from Colourcraft. While my acrylic paint is drying, I cut out a Tim HOltz Wildflower and I used cardstock together with double-sided tape and I glitter it with the Colourcraft Copper Glitter. I picked a sentiment from Rubber Dance and arranged it to the Tim HOltz stamp platform. I make sure that the words are lined up with the grid. Finally, I glue down the wildflower and apply everything to a Cardbase. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon. Bye!